Hello, my name is Robert Veach. On August 10th of 2020, a tornado touched down in my town and it did a lot of damage to the homes and the outside and damage to roofs in the area. I work at my insurance company, but they never looked at my roof. They just looked at the outside. For some reason, they never had somebody come out. So the next day, a couple days after the storm actually, I got a doorbell ring and two gentlemen from this company, American Quality Home Improvement, explained to me that there might possibly be damage to my roof. And Andrew is the one person that stayed and looked at the roof, and he is a insurance claim specialist, as well as he's got a lot of contractor experience. So he's a good person to analyze the roof, the damage. So he was up there for about 2 hours, came down, explained to me that I had a damaged roof and he would help me work with the insurance company, which he did. And he also left me this very nice booklet that has their state of Illinois license on there, has the 10-year warranty, a certificate of liability, and also what technology they were going to use. So what impressed me is the amount of effort that this company did to work with me and my insurance company to make sure that a claim was presented to my insurance company for my roof being replaced. A lot of times insurance companies want to replace a few shingles. In this case, they replaced the whole roof. So they worked on the roof. It took about 2 days and they did a beautiful job. And of course the new shingles look really beautiful and the craftsmanship was there. And this company you will be impressed with because they're very professional. And of course they do roofing, siding, windows, doors, attic insulation also.
How's it going? I'm Andrew from American Quality Home Improvement. Behind us is one of our most recent jobs we just completed in Yorkville. And what we do is roofing, siding, windows, doors, attic insulation, whatever your needs may be for a recent storm hit the area, or you just want to spruce up your house. Give us a call.